Hi, I'm Sean, and we're here in my home where we're underway with our full custom kitchen remodel. My existing range microwave oven vent fan is noisy, has insufficient lighting, and is especially difficult to clean. I ordered the custom copper range hood and insert fan from Akicon copper to replace it. I got to tell you, this is a work of art that, when it gets installed in the kitchen, it's going to be the focal point of the kitchen. Then we've been waiting around 2 months to receive them. I'm really excited to see how it turned out. So let's get started. We take out the insert fan, the stainless steel construction with the touch buttons, and the LED lights. This vent fan has top and rear exhaust ducts for different choices. It has baffle filters, a duct adapter, a charcoal filter, instructions, and a warranty card. Before installation, we suggest you connect the power to check the function is workable. Now we need to mount our hood up on the wall. This weighs a couple of 100 pounds, so to get it up on the wall, what we do is we fixed a support plate here at the height and the level. Alright, as you can see, we have our copper hood mounted to the wall or ductwork coming down through the inside. And we're getting ready to hook up the flexible duct pipe of this blower, and that's an awesome blower unit insert made by Akicon. We're ready to slide this up inside and get this thing working. Let's get started. Alright, there it is. We've got our hood with the power blower insert and mount up inside of here. We'll come back and put our oil tunnel and our baffle filters, turn the power back on, and get this thing fired up. And look at it, even more awesome than it did in the picture. We're super happy with this product. The installation of our copper hood is now complete, and as you can see, it looks absolutely amazing. We could be happy with this hood's beauty of the modern style. We chose the high-quality stainless steel blower that offers dimmable LED lights, 3 different fan speeds. And I gotta tell you, even at the highest CFM, it operates super quiet.